Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is for all the Prince fans out there. This is the Purple Rain knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. Both of my ties, I got two ties here. Two purple ones are at my belt line area as usual. So we're just going to come over and put in a fold, bring it over to the center. Both of them, we're going to come up and over like this. And then I'm going to bring like this. I'm going to do two wreaths at the same time, and then I'm going to come back up and over like this. So we got two wreaths right here. Then we're going to come and I'm going to do two wreaths again at the same time, and then we're going to come underneath here. We're going to cross them underneath like that. And then we're going to just have them folded in half and then come down like this. Perfect. And so actually I didn't even plan that. So as the process of doing that, I kind of bowed that out a little bit. So it's kind of got this dent in it. So we're going to include that as part of the knot. The only thing I can think of is as you're doing that, just make sure that you're, make sure you kind of like bring it up like that, so you're kind of creating that pocket there. So we're going to have these both folded in half. We're going to come over like this, kind of tie like that, and then we're going to come back around like so. And then we're going to come up and underneath like this, and then just finish it out. There you have the Purple Rain. Let me go ahead and put my collar down. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials for all the official photos of all of these knots, either ones I've created or ones that other guys have created, other individuals have created. So we're going to put that there. So there's the indenture. Let's kind of spread it out a bit. You see your layers right there. There you have it, the Purple Rain. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. And oh, by the way, with that indenture, or I call it an indenture, with that kind of raised up, this is above my belly button. So wear a vest with this. A vest, sweater vest, coat, wear something to where they don't see that. So again, so this was actually, as I was tying it, it shortened up real quick. So just a warning to you. So again, see you in the next video, guys. Peace and God bless.